So hi guys, we're here in North Yorkshire.
Yeah.
Here to do some exploring. So can you explore North Yorkshire? Let's find out.
Like and subscribe for a chance to win your very own DJ set performed live by me.
So this is the first waterfall. We got here around tea time, had ourselves a bit of food. We saw this little waterfall. We thought, oh, it's not far. We'll go have a look at it. It's huge. It's gigantic. It just looks crazy. It just keeps going and going. Apparently, it's the tallest waterfall in England. We weren't even going to come here. This is #1 waterfall. Okay, cool. So we made it to the top. You can go all the way to the top, but it's getting late. We need to go back. But look at that for a waterfall. That's humongous. It goes down. Look at that view. How breathtaking.
With the light fading, it was time to head back to our campsite. A shout out to Wildscape's campsite, really nice gem of a campsite off the beaten path. I especially like this washing station which overlooked the stream.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. There are 6 waterfalls here. The one that we've come to see, the main one, is Thornton Force, which I think is the 3rd one. But we'll show you each of them as we go across. Hi guys, so that was the Ingleton waterfall trails complete. So that was waterfalls 2 to 7. There were 6 official waterfalls, but on the actual trail there was many, many more. We've just off and get some lunch, and then we're on to the next set of waterfalls. So we're on our way to the Great Duke Cave, and it's actually on the same route as the Yorkshire Three Peaks. Now, if you haven't checked out the video, check it out where I do the Yorkshire Three Peaks. Run it in under 8 hours. It's really nice to be on this route and not having to climb the top of that. That's Ingleborough, that's one of the three peaks. Actually perfect weather conditions for running. Not today, thankfully. Hi guys, we're here at the Great Duke Cave. We've got another waterfall which we wasn't expecting, and it is just beautiful. This is just an awesome place, awesome area.
While we were soaking up the ambience, a group of wet cavers made an entrance.
Wow, look at that, they're just coming down here. Wow, that's impressive.
Is or what it's called or anything.
The cavers showed me this hole. Nobody knew where it went.
Hi guys, so we're here at Hardraw Force Neck. It's England's tallest waterfall. I'll confirm that one when I do the editing. It's really scenic, just spoilt today really with all the beauty that we've been to. So we're just heading round now. Hi guys, so that's Hardraw Force there. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's absolutely slapping down on the rocks. But really impressive, really large, really glad we came. So yeah, we're off to the next one. So that's another one done. Now there's some wild swimmers there. I had a little chat with the guy, and yeah, it's quite interesting really. The locals sort of come here and swim quite a bit there, and yeah, so it's quite warm in there as well. So again, if we're ever in the area, come back and have a little swim. So it's a couple more on the map I've seen. We're just gonna, it's getting a bit late now, but we're just gonna hit them, see if we can get as many done today as we can, and then crack on over to the campsite.
The day was drawing to a close, but there's always time for limbo. Guys, we're on our way to the final stop of the day. It's going to be a good one, I think. So this is Yordas Cave. I'm excited. Incredible. It is, mate. Hi guys, so yeah, don't know if you can hear that behind me, but that is the waterfall in the back of Yordas Cave. That's what we've come for. Yeah, it's really cool. The whole cavern's really nice, it's just water running everywhere, and the whole thing's just been shaped by nature and the water running through the cliff face, creating some really, really nice looking patterns and aligned structures, so yeah.
Hi guys, so that's it from today's video. It's the final waterfall of the day.
Yeah.
Lost track of how many. Caves and waterfalls galore really. So yeah, if you like waterfalls and you like caves, this place has got lots of them in abundance. So yeah. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.
Next time we uncover three of North Yorkshire's strangest places. A crumbling abbey reclaimed by nature, a mysterious temple hidden deep in the woods,
and a place so surreal, you'll struggle to believe it's real.